with the yukake, ikukake. Okay, Ryan, tikach, thank you.
I know what the prefixes mean, I think. I know ik means you're talking about your own age.
Or yourself, yeah, yourself.
Yes.
It's I or me. So many years have come to me, ikukake. And then tikukake, how many years have come to, we're not doing that one, I'm doing tik.
Her.
Okay. And then actually we're going to do 1, 3, and 5. So the ik is repeated there again. And 5, hikukake. Hikukake.
That's he, masculine, third person.
Yeah, the masculine you. Yeah, it is masculine, it's singular, second person, so it's you.
Oh, second person.
Okay. So now we're going to fill in the numbers. Tehika, and we need 15, Lucirone Kichu, 15 in Tunica. Raquel, we're doing the hinus, and we're doing the odd in this first hinu in Kashk. 1, 3, and 5. Wirakashi sak, wirakashi inik, wirakashi sink. So I asked Molly to do 1. Raquel, are you able to respond at this time?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. You would have wirakashi inik, number 3. And then no one else has come in. So we'll do wirakashi sink, atepe, we'll do that one together. But what I'll do is I'm trying to cover as many as I can. But like I said, if you need an answer key, I will gladly type up the answer key for any that we didn't.
Come on.
Niulapu, good idea. Huh? Is that a good idea? Nerusan, you understand? Okay. Number 1, Mali, Tehika. Do you remember what 15 is?
Yeah, I have it written. Tehika.
Okay.
Michu, Sakutea, Sink.
Yeah.
Ichukaki.
Michu, Sakutea, Sink. Ikukake, home.
Michu, Sakutea, Sink. Yes.
Lapu. Raquel, wirakashi inik. Tehika kash wikukake. 20.
22. Tehika, Kasku, Yukaki. Okay. Tehika, Michu, Ilitea, Ili.
Lapu. And sink. Who would like to do that one? Because I thought Janae would be here, so that's why I said 1, 3, and 5. I thought Janae might be here.
Kake to a female, 8. So that would be Tehika, Tisiku.
Tisik, 8.
Tisik.
Hikukake. Yeah, Tisik is just a single one. Now, in number 4, we're going to go, Ryan, Tokuch, Tikach, okay. And this next one, 4.1.2, Pakitake. So you just have to put the response, and then the next one we'll talk about the different operations. So I have 2, 4, 6, and 8. So Mali, you will 2, or Ile, Monk, Raquel, and then Mali, Masaki, and Tisik, Raquel. So we'll do 2, 4, 6, and 8. You're just putting the response in Lucirone Kicho, just the response, Lucirone Kicho. But 2 for, I said for Mali, right? 4 for Raquel, 6 for Mali, 8 for Raquel. And just the response, Wirakashi, Lucirone, the Tunica number.
Got number 1.
Okay, you have it?
I have number 2.
Okay, 2. Okay, Molly. Ili, Wirakashi Ili.
Toksak.
Toksak. Home, Toksak, a little one. That's right, Toksak. Okay. And Wirakashi monk, Raquel.
7.
Tayik. Tayik, home, Lapu. Masaki, Wirakashi Masaki, Mali.
Michu. 29.
Michu Ilitea.
Michu Ilitea Toksak.
Michu Ilitea Toksak Lapu. And I forgot about 10. Oh gosh, I didn't give anybody 10. Tisik Raquel.
Number 8 is Monk. And number 10 is Michu Sak.
Michu Sak. And what about 8? I didn't hear you.
Okay. 8 is 4, Monk.
Monk, monk. Okay, monk. Oh,
I thought it was 5.
45, no, 5. Yeah, sink.
Oh.
Sarah. Sink.
Okay.
Irusa. I know too. Sorry.
9.
I know. Sorry. I saw.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm not. Okay. And it's kind of cutting off. It's kind of like, I don't know. We might have some, but we're still going to have class. Okay. And then we said, and then Michu Sak was the Luchironi Kichu, the answer.
10 was 10.
Michu.
Michu Sak.
Michu Sak. Hong Lapu. Okay. Hache. Okay, Ryan, the next page. And we're going to do the operations in Tunica. So we have the next page. Ryan, Tokuch. Oh, Tikach. Thank you. Okay. So 1, 3, 5, and 7. That's what we're going to do. 1, 3, 5, and 7. So 1 is Mali. Wirakashi Sak, Mali. Wirakashi Inik, Raquel. Wirakashi Sink, Mali. Wirakashi Tayik, Raquel. Okay, so you write your response and then you can read out the whole math fact and what you, or the operation, the problem. So remember that ahomu means to divide. Yake is to multiply. Kolu is minus and tea is plus. Ahomu is divide. Yake is multiply. Kolu is minus and tea is plus. Da, iknieke, ikniki. Let me know when you're ready. Just tell me iknieke, because y'all both feminine, so I tell you to tell me, say to me, da.
Listen, what number was I?
Molly, you were 1 and 5, and Raquel was 3 and 7. We're doing the odds. So in this one.
Duh, I have number 1.
Okay, 1. Okay, Lapu. Nohina Puan Tokuch, can you read, please?
Michu Ili Ahomu Michu Sak Sinkshu Ili.
Ili, home. And remember the sinch means equal. If we
Sinch, yes.
Sinch, equal, it's equal. Lapu. Okay. Inik, Raquel, Inik, 3.
3 is Ili, Yaki, Monk, Sink, Shiku. Sinkshi? Or Sink?
Tisiku, Tisiku, Lapu. Ili, Yaki, Monk. Sink, tisiku, tisiku. Okay. Sink, Wirakashi sink, Molly?
Sink, yaki, ili, sinks, sinku.
Okay. It's times. It's times. Yaki is times.
Oh, you're right. Michusak.
Huh?
Yeah, I read that.
Oh, Michusak. Oh, Lapu. It's okay. And Tayik. Raquel, Tayik.
Tahuksa. Awomu.
Huh?
Enik. Sink. I can't say that. Sink.
Singsh. I know it's different.
Singsh.
It's a little difficult.
Singsh.
Singsh.
Okay.
Huh? Lapu. Lapu, huh? Ahomu is divide. Toksak. Ahomu inik. Singsh. Are you there? Did I? Raquel, did you say something? Because I didn't hear you.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Yeah. Toksak ahomu inik singsh. Toksak
Can you
ahomu.
hear me? 9 divided by 3 equals 3.
Uchirone kichu
Equals. All right, can you hear me?
I didn't hear that part where you said the answer, right? I didn't hear it.
3. Inik.
Enik, hon lapu. Okay, hachi. Now, I know it seems like we're skipping, but this would be the best way. And I said, if you have any questions about any, I could send like a key for you to help to practice. Okay, Ryan, now page 63. And we're talking about ordinal numbers. And 63. Now, wirakashita. So when you make an ordinal number, and we're on 63 for the 63, it should be 63. Okay, that's weird because mine's 63. So maybe it's further. Okay, go a little further because it should be, my book says 63, but it's going to be, okay, not 64. Go ahead. Mishtiki. After this, because wirakashita we know. Okay, let's see where the, okay, keep on going. Okay, hichi. Now, we're going to do the ordinal numbers. When you make an ordinal number, you simply add HTA to the base number, the base word, the number, okay? For instance, enikuta. Here we're gonna do 1, write it down, little pencil here. 1, 3, 5, and 7. So Mali, Sak, Raquel, Inik, Mali, Sink, 1, 3, 5, 7, and Raquel, Tayik. So 1 Mali, 3 Raquel, 5 Mali, 7 Raquel. Da igniek ikniki. You simply add the HTA as a postfix or a suffix to the number to make, like we say, first, second, third, fourth, the ordinal numbers.
Da.
Mabu.
Da.
Okay. Mali, wirakashi sak.
Sakuta.
Sakuta, hon lapu.
Sakuta.
Raquel, hon lapu. Inik, Raquel.
Taikuta.
Hon, taikuta. Sink, Mali.
Toksakta.
Toksakta. Yeah, you know, it's toksakta. Lapu. And Tayik, Raquel, Tokuch.
Sink. Cincta.
Cincuta, huh?
Cincuta.
You add the HTA. You just simply add the HTA to the base. Now,
so when you add the HTA, do you have to pronounce the U at that point?
Well, let's see. Sakuta. Yeah, Sakuta. Yeah, we do because you have that HTA to follow it.
Yes.
But that would also be a good question for me to bring up to our Kylie group. So I'll do that. I'll bring that up next Monday about pronouncing the voiceless U. Okay. That's another meeting. That's on Mondays. I said the APS is something and then the other one. So do we pronounce voiceless U here? But it's not so much what is always the rule, but what people are saying too. And that's what we go by.
Right.
Sakuta, huh?
Yeah.
It would make sense because you have to divide it like that, to say sakuta. It'd be kind of weird. You just have to swallow the U almost. So hachi, let's see. The next, it would be on the next page, Ryan. Terashki tirishi. And then you will tell me the base, the cardinal number for the ordinal numbers that are listed. So we'll do, let's see, 2, 4, and 6. So Molly 2 and Raquel 4 and Molly 6. Just say the, what is the base verb? The verb itself, not the cardinal number. They give you the ordinal number. They want you to write the cardinal number, the number word, as you learned when you were growing up.
Da.
Da. Okay. 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 Ili, Molly.
Michu saktea suck.
Yes, you're taking off the HTA. You're removing the HTA to go back to its cardinal number. Right, Lapu. Monk.
That's 11.
Let's see, Michu suck. Yes, 11. Because
Okay.
you have 110 plus 1. 110 plus
Yes.
1. Right, 11. It's the pattern. There's a pattern that you follow. And you may see that when you do your transcription. You do. I do translate. You do transcription. You may see it. You may come across some numbers. Monk, Raquel, Monk.
Number 4 is Masaki. 6.
Oh, Masaki, right. Lapu. Okay, and then Masaki, Molly.
Polun suck.
Polun Sak. And that
Polun
means
suck.
Polun Sak.
That
and
means 100.
Right, 100. Oh, Lapu. Okay, Hachi. So now we are, there's some that are going to be a little bit more different. This one is on 68, Ryan, and it's going to be about the days of the week. Let's see. So it's on, it's the next exercise underneath the Lutamashu. Okay, Mishtike, some more, go down some more, please. Go down some more and it'll be there. Should be following that. After the, should be, yes. So next page, Ryan. Where we have Hinu Inik, Hinu 3. So it appears the page numbers are different from my book. Okay, Lapu, Hichi, Lapu. Okay. So we're talking about up. Okay, go back up to the days, and then we'll do the months. Okay, let's see. Go, okay, up, let's see. Up, because that's the last one. Okay, okay. Yeah, home, lapu. Okay. Okay, so ashuki kashk ashutayi tikara. That says how many days in a week? How many days does a week have? Use tikara. Does she have? It have. It's considered feminine in this case for some reason. So it says tayik 7. So let's try these. We have 1. We'll do 1, 3, and 5. So 1, Molly, 3, Raquel, and let's see, 5. Now we're going to talk about, let's see. It's also referring to months. So what we'll do, we'll talk about what it means, and then we'll look at something, or, you know, we can go back to the months, the listing of the months and the days. So let's talk about what it means first. So try and figure out what it means. And if you have your paper copy, it would help you to, I said 1, 3, and 5, to go to, let's see, it talks about the days of the week and the months. It includes both. So number 1 is about days of the week. Number 3 is about month and days in the month. And then number 5 is also about months and an ordinal number with a month. It doesn't have the name of the month. So see if you can figure those out, and then we'll talk about it.
1, 3, 1, 8, 6, 4, 8, 4, 7, 6.
Guy, Nieki, Nikki, let me know when you're ready.
Hello. Leave a message after the tone.
Here we go.
As I said, 1 refers to days of the week, 3 refers to a month, and 5 refers to a month as well. Talking about something related to that month, not necessarily same information, and we'll talk about it.
I think I have number 1.
Okay. Okay, Rohina Pon, Toguch, can you please?
Ashitai, Tika Shuki, Sakta, Ashute, Kanak, Ashuki, Ilita.
Uh-huh.
And is it saying that the first day of the week is Sunday, and asking what is the second?
Oh, Lapu, uh-huh.
And that's Rapusak.
Rapusak, oh, Lapu, good. Lapu, perfect there, good. Okay. Okay, let's see, Raquel. 3, Inik. These aren't easy, I know, so be willing to help y'all if you don't understand. Okay.
Tak, Awika, Ashuki, Kash, Tihikara. So let's see. January.
Oh, January. How many months does January have? I have a little calendar right in front of me here too. So January has how many days?
Or how many days?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Home.
January have 28.
Yeah, how many days in January? How many days does it have? Does the month of January have?
28.
Michu and Kutea.
28. Michu,
How many days does January have?
28.
January?
Or 31.
Oh, Lapu. Okay, Kichu.
Yeah, Michu, Enikuteya Sak.
Oh, Lapu. Lapu. Lapu Ponu. Very good. Perfect. That was perfect. Okay, like I said, these aren't, you have to figure out the pieces then to get the meaning. Okay, sink. Tacha, I think I asked Molly. Tacha masakita kanaka titisa. Tacha masakita. Touch E is the sun. Touch A is the moon or month. So tacha masakita kanaka titisa. What is the?
Is it asking what is the 6th month?
Oh, lapu.
Tahika Tacha?
Hon, tihika, touch hon, tihika,
Touch
hon, lapu. Okay. Oh, we had some others. So let's see, 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. I didn't point that one out. That's on the next page. 7. Raquel, 7. Wirakashi Tayik.
Okay. Oh geez. When is George Washington's birthday?
Yeah, and that means the month. They say touch yeah, touch touch
I think it's February.
February?
Yes, home. We used to we used to talk about those things more. Now they don't. They just call President's Day.
Okay.
Yes. Tachaweka. Hukuma Lapu. Okay. Now, maybe we can, let's see what time it is too. It's 5:32, but we're going to do on the next one with the months right underneath it, Ryan, if you could scroll down. These, okay. Let's see, we can do these together. How about we do the matching together? That way you can fill it in as we go. Tachaweka, and they want to do holidays and events to the months they're in. Tachaweka.
Okay. You know what I could do? I hardly ever know when holidays are. Tachaweka is January.
Yes.
Okay.
So which one matches with it?
That's H.
H.
Okay. H, right. Okay. What about Wirakashi Ili? Tachaweka te hukuma.
Te hukuma is February.
Home.
So G, Valentine's.
Home, Valentine's Day. Home. Wirakashi Inik. Komeri tacha. Komeri tacha.
Komeri tacha is March.
So C.
Oh,
St.
Lapu.
Patrick's.
St. Patrick's Day. Okay, Lapu. Wirakashi Monk. Touch Atapa. Touch Atapa.
Touch Atapa is April.
That's April.
Oh, hey Tacha. This month.
So
Tacha.
April Fool's Day. That's today.
April Fool's Day. Because this used to be the first day of the new year in France. And then the king changed the date. Before the Gregorian calendar, they had many dates for the starting of the new year. And so there's, there's a little tradition too in French-speaking countries where they put a paper fish on someone's back, April Fool, like that, because still some people still thought it was the first day of the year, but it was not. It was changed, with the Gregorian calendar to January. Okay, let's see now. Where was I? I was getting carried away. Tachahipu, sink. Tachahipu.
That would be May.
That's the powwow.
Yeah,
powwow
when we
month.
have it, when we will have it. All right.
D.
Home.
Oh, okay.
Tihika tacha. Tihika tacha.
Tihika tacha June.
Father's Day. J.
Father's Day. Home. Lapu. Tihika tacha te hukuma. Tihika tacha te hukuma.
Tihika tacha te hukuma is July.
Yes. Little sister.
So 4th of July.
Oh, Lapu. 4th of July. Right. B. Okay. Tacharuina. Tacharuina.
Touch Arwina is August.
August.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Is that L? Start of school?
Yes, start of school. And it's the hot month. And it was always, you know, when I was teaching, we didn't have air conditioning. So it's definitely hot. And the school buses, definitely, there was no air conditioning on school buses. So the hot school buses were hot too. Here, anyway, Raquel. Hichi, Louisiana Kichu. Hichi, Louisiana Kichu. Home. Okay. Tacharuina Teukuma.
Touch Arwina is
September.
Uh-huh.
Is that Labor Day?
Oh, Lapu, Labor Day. Tacharuina Teukuma. Oh, sorry, y'all. Tachawera. Tachawera.
Touch Awera is October.
That's October, yes. Uh-huh.
Deer season?
Yes, deer season opens for rifle hunting, but like I told you, my family, we don't kill, harm, we don't harm, kill, or eat deer. We don't do that. Okay. Let's see. 11. Tachasap aratok. Tachasap aratok.
Touch Asap Aratok.
November.
Oh, November. Oh.
Thanksgiving.
Oh, Lapu, Thanksgiving. And touch asap ara. The month of cold lying on the ground, the cold ground. Touch asap ara. The cold is lying.
December.
December, home.
Okay.
And that's Christmas.
Christmas, home, Lapu. Okay. So now let's go scroll down to the next one. And we'll need to know numbers of months. So if you have a calendar either on your phone or like I have a little paper calendar handy. We'll talk about, you write, it says, fill in the blanks with the number of days in the month in Tunica. So let's see. February this year, we had.
So it goes by the knuckles. Someone ever told you like you start on your left hand and you count your first knuckle?
Yes.
So that's 31 days. And then in the middle of the knuckle is February. So that would be 28 days.
Oh, Lapu. Okay.
Every actual knuckle is 31 days.
And then the middles are the smaller numbers. So it's either like 28, 29, or 30, depending.
Yeah. So.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I always like repeated it, but I never really put it to work.
Figured it out, huh? Okay. So let's see, we can do, because I hate to be mindful of the time, but because of that other meeting, and I don't know if Ryan is able to do any whiteboard or anything tonight. I don't know if his capability with the computer, but I wanted to make sure that we went through, you know, let's see, because next time we'll begin the transitive verbs. Okay, so we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. So Molly, 1, Raquel, 3, and Molly, 5, and Raquel, 7, and Molly, 9, and Raquel, 11. Molly, sok, Raquel, inik, Molly, 5, Raquel, tayik, Molly, toksak, Raquel, michu, sakutea sak. So the numbers that you're doing, and you're putting the number in Tunica of Ashuke Hichu. How many days in each month? So when you're ready, you can let me know.
I'm ready.
Okay. Okay, Sok, Mali, Tachaweka.
Michu, Enukutea, Sak.
Oh, Raquel, Komeli Tach A. I hear you faintly. For some reason, I hear you just.
To see.
Michu, Enikutea.
February has.
Which one did I? Oh, no, it was on three, number 3, not number 2.
Oh,
3. Uh-huh.
March has 31 days. Michu, Enikutea,
Home, Michu, Enikutea Sok. Mali, Tachahipu. Tachahipu.
Tachahipu.
Mm-hmm.
Michu Enikutea Sok.
Home, Lapu. Raquel, Tihika Tacha, Teokuma. Tihika Tacha, Teokuma.
July.
Home, Lapu.
July has 31 days.
Uh-huh, home. Michu, Enikutea Sok, Home, Lapu. Mali, Tachiruina, Teokuma.
Michu Enik.
Michu, Enik. And Raquel, Tach Asap Ara. Tach Asap Ara.
September has 3 days. Michu, Enik.
Michu, Enik. Tach Asap Ara. Michu, oh, that is December. Michu, Enikutea.
Oh. December has 31 days. Michu, Enikutea.
Michu, Enikutea Sok, Home, Lapu. So, the only thing we didn't do, and I might do that next time instead of, because I think you will understand now better the some of the Yanalipini. Rather than move on to the transitive verbs right away, I think we should go back next time to the, on page 56, 57. There's the Yanalipini, the dialogues. And then I'll write them down. So you could prepare too. You could prepare by looking over them and maybe translate. So it'll be on a 56, 57. So for next time, it'll be the Yanalipini. We're going to do the dialogues. And we'll be able to finish, have a thorough completion of this chapter 4. So 56, 57, and then 62. And we have 65 and 66. That'll be for next time, the dialogue.
Okay.
Okay, that way you can prepare and we'll be able to understand them better because we've had a good solid background about all the numbers. Numbers cover many, and they serve many purposes. And sometimes when you know numbers in a language, you might be able to help somebody save their life, save their day, or save their life. You never know. You never know. Well, Tunica is different, but we can use it as a code language. You could use it as a code language, to tell somebody something, or a way of thinking too. And once any languages you learn, the more you learn, the different languages you learn, the more you understand just how things work. And it also increases your vocabulary, no matter if it's an indigenous language or European language. It'll help, helps for the understanding and how things work, the cultural and historical elements too. So I'm going to repeat again. It was for next time, page Yanalipini, 56, 57, 62, 65, and 66. And that's the conversations, the dialogues. And we'll be better able to understand them because we have all the necessary tools now to understand it. So Ryan, are you able to do any kind of whiteboard or anything? Can you hear us? Before we go, maybe about 5 more minutes. Oh, okay. Okay, so what I'll do, I'm gonna go ahead, Raquel, we're gonna have an early dismissal so that I can get to this other meeting because sometimes I have difficulty with Google Meet. But please, next time it will already be April, let's see, we'll be past Easter, so we'll be Ashuke, let's see, I wanna say Tachatapa, which is the planting month, and Ashuke Tisikuta, the 8th day, 8th day, right, home. Okay, so Oh, okay. Lati, wait, let's say lati lapu, itashika-chan. Lati lapu, lapu, apoitin, hita. See you next time. Hang in there.
Apoitin.
Apoitin, tikach, tikach.
Tikach.
Apoitin, tikach. Bye-bye. Okay.